Hi there, this is Gaurav from Crove, a powerful document automation solution in the market. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can run mathematical operations in Crove. How to use Crove to calculate sum of two numbers, minus of two numbers, multiplication, division, and average of numbers. So let me show you the results and then the implementation. So I'm entering two numbers 10 and 2. And when I see my document, it is showing me sum as 12, which is perfect, multiplication as 20, division as 10 by 2, 5, and average 10 plus 2 divided by 2 is 6. So now let's see the implementation. It's very easy, just like Excel formulas. So I have created two variables, number 1 and number 2, using this variable option, add new variable. After creating variable, I have created few expressions, sum, minus, multiply, division, and average, right from this icon by clicking on add new expressions. When you click on sum, I have defined the definition like Excel formulas. You can simply define it once again and write SUM and then pass the variables. And we have two variables. The first one is number 1, you have to use dollar, and then second one is number 2. Isn't it simple? And then save your document. Now if you look at division, it is same. You write divide just like sum and pass number 1 and number 2. If you look at average, then you simply have to write average and then pass two numbers, number 1 and number 2. I hope you find it super easy to use sum, minus, multiply, division and average functions in Crove.